Hi my friends. In this video I'm showing how to take a screenshot on PC. Okay. In this video I'm going to use the snipping tool. So click on search under the start menu. Here type in snipping tool. Here is the software, click to open. Now this is the software. You can press the Windows logo key plus Shift plus S at the same time to open the software. Okay, now to take the screenshot. Click on New. Now select the area that you want to capture. Let me select desktop. Here it is. Click on the Save button. Now enter the name of your screenshot. Here you can choose the format that you would like to save. Let me select JPG. Now click on Save. Done. Now let me check my screenshot. Okay. So that's how you can easily take a screenshot on your computer. Please subscribe, like and even leave a comment. Have a nice time.